guys, this is Ben and this is
Tyco.
and we are
Ben and Tyco. And this
EMA-TV. Power! Okay guys, so we want to provide you with fun and exciting workout routines, some great ideas, and some funny and entertaining, inspiring business ideas along the way. So today we're gonna be doing the kettlebell workout. So Tyco, what's the difference between kettlebell and weights?
Weights are a more static workout. You move very slowly with the weights. With the kettlebell, it's more explosive movements. It really works.
Again, thank you guys for watching our videos. Please subscribe, please leave a like if you like the videos, if you see value in it, if we make you smile a little bit. And see you guys next time. We're gonna be doing a nice warm-up for you guys. And Tyco, anything else?
Hi, Rio.